Hello everyone. We'll now be seeing a question of USEED 2021 paper. So let's quickly start. It says they have given you an image. How many triangles are there in the figure shown? Interesting one, isn't it? We'll have to count the number of triangles I can see in this figure. Now see, how do we do? We'll do it with one figure, and since the figure is symmetrical, I can then extend it forward. So carefully observe. Now if I consider this section of the figure, that is the one which I have highlighted. Okay, now check over here. If I number them as 1, 2 and 3. So now how will I have triangles over here? These individual, that is triangle number 1, triangle number 2 and triangle number 3. These are individual triangles, right? So individually I can see there are 3 triangles. Then if I combine 1 and 2, that is going to form me 1. Then if I combine 2 and 3, that will give me one triangle. So 2 triangles or 2 pieces at a time is giving me how many? It's giving me total of 2. And then finally I combine 1, 2 and 3, that will give me this large triangle. So 3 pieces together I am getting 1. So total of, if I go along this one vertex of the pentagon they have given, I am getting how many triangles? I am getting a total of 6. Alright, so similarly I am just going to repeat it along the other vertices. So now we'll do what? This vertex number 1 is done. We'll go to the vertex number 2. Now at vertex number 2, I'll again name 1, 2 and this is 3. Now we know all these combinations is again going to give me a number 6. But if you observe properly, this triangle, the number 3 and number 1, it's all together counted again in it. So there's a repetition for this triangle. So for this second vertex, how many triangles am I going to have? Not 6, but I will have 5. So these are 5. On vertex number 1, I had 6. Similarly, let's go to the third vertex, that is this guy. Now if I count 1, I number this 2 and this 3. So you see here, again there is common section coming out. So totally for the third vertex again, I'll have 5. Similarly, for the next fourth vertex also I'll have 5 because it's a similar structure. When I number it, there will be 2 ones in this bottom triangle. So I cannot count it again, right? So 2 and 3. And then we'll finally come to the vertex number 5. Now for vertex number 5, be careful. If I number 1, 2 and 3, what is happening? This 3 and 1 and this 1 and 3. Both are coming out to be common, isn't it? So instead of having 5, now I'll have 4. So basically just because of the outer vertices, how many triangles do I get? 6 plus 5, 5 and these 5, that will give me 50. And finally for the fifth vertex I'm getting how many? I'm getting 4. So if you add this up, how much does it give you? 15 plus 6, that is equal to 21 and 4, that is equal to 25. So basically I've covered what? The outer structure of this pentagon. Now are we done? No. Count on further. Try one at a time. Now if I consider this side of the pentagon. Okay. Now we'll try to view on the upper side of the figure. If you can see, this is a triangle here, right? But I have already counted. So can I count it again? Not needed. Then any other triangle when you see in the view of the side that you can see? Yes. We can see this 4, then joining the vertex number 1 and coming back to vertex number 3. So this is one triangle forming, isn't it? Likewise, if I go with the second side, can't you not imagine the same structure? Yes, see. If I join these points, it's showing me the second triangle. So along the sides, can't I not say I'm gonna get one triangle each? And how many sides does this pentagon has? It has 5 sides. So with this 25 triangles which I've originally found out, I'll have to add another 5 triangles which are because of the sides. Alright, now are we still done with the question? No. Carefully, see, we have counted along the vertices, then we counted along the sides. Now let's see about the internal structure. Now in the internal structure, you seeing this combination point, right? So from this combination point, if I try to view opposite to it, I am able to see this triangle, the one which I have highlighted. That is my triangle number 1. This is actually the vertex where 2 petals of the internal star is going added. So second, we come to this structure. You see a second triangle over here. That is inside of the pentagon. Then this is third, this is fourth and this is fifth. So basically another 5 triangles I'll have to add because of the vertices of the petals of the internal triangle, internal star specifically. So totally how many triangles am I going to get? 25 plus 5 plus 5, that would give me 35 triangles in total. So just one key point to remember is start with one particular direction and go on counting gradually. And do not forget, always cross check your answers. Got it guys? Thank you.